Good evening. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of simple equations. Simple equations. Simple equation. The name itself indicates it is very simple understanding of an equation. So what are the basic things we are going to learn in the simple equations are, one thing is, first of all, we have to know about variable. We have to know about variable. Another one is constant. Another one is constant. Third one is expression. Third one is expression. Third one is expression. And then fourth one is equation. The fourth one is equation. And the fifth one is simple equation. And the fifth one is simple equations. For your better understanding purpose, I am writing as SC, which is a simple equation. And then sixth one is finding the solution of an equation. Solution of a equation. Solution of a equation. And the seventh one is the properties. The seventh one is properties. And the eighth one is transposition. Transposition. So now we are going to explain in detail about one by one. See what is variable. See, let us see, we have to take one letter. It may be G. One time G value is 7. One time G value is 8. One time G value is 9. So by solving the different equations, we are getting different solutions. So this is the variable. It can varies. It can varies. Constant. Let us take 2023. If anybody see 2, for example, if your mother see, this is a 2. If your father see, this is a 2. If your brother see, this is a 2. If your mother see 2023, this is a 2023 only. If your father sees, it is 2023 only. If your sister is 20. So constant, it never ever changes. So anyone sees anything, that is the same. That is called a constant, the fixed value. For example, x is equivalent to 2 is a constant. It's a constant value. So it never ever changes here. So expression. Expression means, see, we have two types of expressions. For example, 1 plus 2 minus 3. This is a mathematical numerical expression. X plus y minus z. This is a variable expressions. We have different type of, to express something. It's called a expression. Now equation. So in equation, we have to take, for example, 2x plus 6 is equivalent to 8. So here 2x plus 6, here variable, some constant, we are equalating to some other, is called a equation. So equation, definitely we are using here equivalent symbol, equivalent symbol. That's why we are called as equation. Simple equation. Simple equation is nothing but we have a single variable. For example, now I am giving the one example, 2x plus 6 is equal to 8. It is a simple equation. Let us see, 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equivalent to something, 0. It is not a simple equation because here we are having two variables like x and y. So here we have to solve the equation. So we need some other equation to solve, to find out the values of x and y. But here we have only x is a variable. So we have a single variable. It is a simple equation. We have more than two variables or more than one variable. It is not a simple equation. So solution of an equation. So this is very important. The entire concept depends on the solution of an equation. See, for example, I am taking here solution of an equation 2x plus 10 is equivalent to 18. 2x plus 10 is equivalent to 18. Here we have to find out the value of x. So this is called a equivalent. This is our LHS left hand side. This is our RHS. So we have to find 2x plus 10 is equivalent to 18, the x value. 2x is equivalent to 18. If you transport this plus symbol goes to that side, minus 18 minus 10, 8. 2x is equivalent to 8. 2x is equivalent to 8. X is equivalent to 8 by 2, because here it is a multiple. When we are going to the transposition that side, it is divisible. So x value is 4. So this is the way to find out the solution of an equation. In the solution of equation, I also covered the property of the equation. It means LHS, RHS. So, and also an equivalent. So we have left hand side as well as right hand side. LHS is equivalent to RHS. We can prove. Then only we can get the value. Then only we can get value of some variable. Transportation. Here also I covered the transportation. When this plus symbol goes to that side, it goes to minus, the opposite sign. It's called a transportation. It is a very clear, detailed explanation regarding simple equations. Let us see some more examples based on simple equations. Let us see the examples based on simple equations. 3x is equivalent to 18. 3x is equivalent to 18. So here we have to find out the value of x. See, 3x is equivalent to 18. X is equivalent to, here 3 is multiplying with the variable x. So it goes to the other side of the transportation. 18 by 3, which is 6. So the value of x is 3. See, here I am applying the property of a simple equation. It means LHS is equivalent to RHS. I told you how LHS, RHS becomes equivalent. See, 3 multiple. What is the value of x we are finding? 6. 3 into 6. What is RHS? 18. So see, 3 into 6 is 18. This is equivalent to 18. See, the beauty of simple equations. So LHS becomes RHS. So 18 is equivalent to 18. This is the property. This is the basic property of the simple equation. Let us see some more example based on simple equation. See, I have to take some other variable, which is 4y minus 24 is equivalent to 0. So 4y minus 24 is equivalent to 0. Here I am going to find out the variable y value. So let us see, 4y is equivalent to, why I am using equivalent to, this equivalent to, this minus 24 going to the other side plus 24. So y is equivalent to, here multiplying with 4, going to the transposition other side by 4, 24 by 4, which is 6. So y value is 6. Y value is 6. Here again I am applying the property of simple equation. LHS is equivalent to RHS. See, 4 multiple with, what is the y value? 6. Minus 24 is equivalent to 0. So 4 into 6 how much? 24. Minus 24 is equivalent to 0. What is the value of 24 minus 24? 0. Again it is 0. 0 is equivalent to 0. Hence we proved LHS is equal to RHS. This is the beauty of the property of the simple equation. With this, I conclude the topic of simple equation. Thank you. Have a great day.